Boom! That's the sound of a Russian tank going up in flames thanks to the action of an unmanned combat system, better known as a drone, on the battlefield. During Russia's invasion of Ukraine, there's a lot to unpack. One of the most intriguing aspects, the rise of drones in modern warfare. Drones are seen as game changers, minimizing casualties and taking on a range of missions. From reconnaissance to target designation and even kamikaze-style strikes, drones have been front and center. No wonder both sides deployed a variety of unmanned combat vehicles as their vanguard in the offensive. Being on the receiving end of the invasion, Ukraine, with the support of the US and NATO, naturally had a slew of unmanned vehicles up its sleeve for strategic deployment. One of Ukraine's ace cards was the Bayraktar TB2, a state-of-the-art drone from Turkey. Specs-wise, this drone is a beast. It can fly at a top speed of 138 miles per hour and reach altitudes of up to 25,000 feet. Its endurance is equally impressive, capable of covering 93 miles and staying airborne for a whopping 25 hours straight. This flight prowess is paired with a formidable arsenal. It can carry two types of munitions, the MAM-L rocket with a range of 9.3 miles, targeting slow-moving main battle tanks and convoys and strategic buildings. Then there's the MAM-C rocket, with a range of 5 miles aimed at armored vehicles on the move. With these capabilities, the Bayraktar TB2 was a key player in the Russia-Ukraine conflict, effectively stalling and slowing down the Russian invasion. However, Ukraine's stock of these drones took a hit, losing hundreds of units to Russian counterattacks. This loss was a significant blow, especially considering the hefty price tag of $5 million per drone.
ПВО довольно долго наблюдали, после чего дроны «Ланцет» ударили в ЗРК и РЛС «Скайгард Аспид». Это первое поражение ЗРК «Скайгард Аспид» на Украине.
Now, Ukraine didn't just rely on foreign tech, they brought their homegrown drones to the party. Meet the Beaver, a kamikaze drone. Yep, you heard that right. Its sole purpose? To fly into enemy territory and go boom. With a claimed range of up to 620 miles and a unique design, this drone can reportedly dodge radars and electronic hijacking. And guess what? On July 30th, this bad boy targeted a shopping center in Moscow. It's a stark reminder that it's not just Russia taking the fight to civilians. Ukraine and its allies are playing the same game. And thanks to the Beaver's successful strike, Ukrainian influencer Igor Lechenkov got a standing ovation for being a key figure behind this drone's inception. But wait, there's more. Not all drones are about soaring the skies. Ukraine's got some action underwater too. Enter the Magura Viv, another kamikaze drone, but this one's for the seas. Its mission to cut off access and spread fear in the Black Sea, a strategic hotspot in the Russia-Ukraine conflict. A viral video even showed the Magura 5 smashing into a Russian tanker suspected of transporting fuel for the invasion. With a range of 500 miles and carrying a whopping 660 pounds of explosives, it's no wonder the Magura Viv is the stuff of nightmares in the Black Sea. Now, what about Russia? Did the mighty bear bow down in the drone game during their invasion? Heck no. As we all know, Russia's military advancements are nothing short of audacious. In their invasion of Ukraine, a plethora of drones were unleashed. But one that really gave Ukraine and its allies a headache was the Lancet drone. This kamikaze drone might look tiny, measuring just 5.2 feet in length with a wingspan of 3.3 feet. Its flight capabilities are modest, covering a distance of 25 miles at a speed of 62 miles per hour, and it carries a light explosive payload of just 11 pounds. So why the fuss? Well, the Lancet's strength lies in its three main attributes. It's cheap, fast, and easy. Priced at around $20,000 a pop, Russia, with its deep war coffers, can churn out hundreds, if not thousands, of these drones. And operationally, it's a breeze. Just 2 people and a catapult are all it takes, making it super flexible and deployable from almost anywhere, leaving the enemy guessing. In the Russia-Ukraine conflict, this drone has proven its mettle, taking out stationary targets like the American-made M777 howitzer and the German-made Leopard 2, as well as moving targets like the BMP-2 armored vehicle.
333!
Russia's obsession with cost-effective drones is evident in their invasion of Ukraine. Apart from the Lancet, they've deployed the Gerin 2, a modification of Iran's kamikaze drone, the Shahed 136. Priced between $10,000 to $20,000 per unit, this drone offers a lot of bang for the buck. It can travel up to 1,550 miles at speeds of 115 miles per hour, carrying a 110 pounds explosive payload. These specs, combined with its affordability, allow Russia to deploy it in a swarm drone formation. This involves launching 5 to 10 drones simultaneously to confuse enemy air defenses. Understandably, this has become a nightmare for military bases and equipment lines, as countering such a formation is no easy task. What's more, its flexibility is unmatched. It can be launched from land vehicles or even fighter jets, making its point of origin hard to predict. But Russia's drone arsenal isn't just about offense. They've got eyes in the sky too. Enter the Orlan 10, a reconnaissance drone that's been in service since 2011. It boasts an impressive data link capability, providing crucial information to Russian forces in mere seconds. Its primary missions include target identification, espionage, and disrupting Ukrainian radars. The Orlan 10 is versatile and capable of flying and delivering accurate data even in extreme weather conditions, with a range of 373 miles, a speed of 70 miles per hour, and an endurance of 18 hours. It's a force to be reckoned with. And the best part? It only requires a 2-person team and a catapult for deployment, allowing it to be launched from virtually anywhere to gather intel.
Which may be more accurate than open-source GPS signals.